look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
What's up, everybody? It's Jesse, and we are here at Formula Drift Long Beach. It is about to be an absolutely incredible day. We got the top 16 coming up, some incredible drivers, folks that I know, some of them I don't, but they're out here competing, and I can't wait to watch them. But not only watch, but learn a little bit from them. As you know, I've done a little bit of drifting myself just for fun, but it's always great coming out here to FD and seeing what these folks can do. I can always learn from them and take a little bit of what they do back to my drifting so I can get better and better. And who knows, maybe one day I can try to compete in the competition. We'll find out. But anyways, let's get to some FD.
You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
All right, so right now they're warming up their tires. FD's about to get going. This is the first round of top 16, and it should be pretty exciting. A lot of really great drivers. Once you get to top 16, you got the cream of the crop, the best of the best, and they're about to go out there and rip.
Look, I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop, I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the peace, you gon' see the flex when you hear these writtens. Trust me, you know the difference. I got a long ways to climb before you see a slippage. I see the process and the journey I'm supposed to be, but perplexed, cause I don't really see nobody close to me. Hopefully this ain't wasted, and I know it ain't. You gotta take the time for seasoning to marinate. You need the patience and the pressure just to detonate. I'm trying to blow up and these heathens need to get it straight. Get the bullets and the precision. I'm just trying to make it happen. You might be breaking free like I was iron in some Nikes. Tucked at the crib, bro, you know just where to find me. Making beats and spitting crack verses pretty likely. Yeah, socks with the burst, boy, ain't changed a bit. Normal guy till I die, you know what it is. You better
potentially say, you know what, the cars are gonna go all once.
Really now I got these arrows aiming at your ribs. I don't wanna talk. How you try and press the kid and really you was soft. All you know is capping, homie, you don't know the law. Pedal to the metal, you ain't catching me in park. I just hit the stop, I don't wanna speak. Talking all that good, so I just hit you with the plays. Running up the score like Tyreek, I'm going deep. Watch me how I'm saucing, I be spreading it with ease. You gon' see the keys. Please be on the notice, these my motives. Bought my chicken on his rotis. You parsimonious, so take it off, cause you a locust. Focus is the greatest mission. Visionary, get a dictionary. We heard off the book of one sharing. We just playing it, let's stick it to the manager. We damage her, no, you ain't messing with an amateur. I'm ramming, the competition ain't standing up. They fanning from left to right, cause now they branded us. Now who that is? Mike Jones, they ain't want me now. They all on me, they'll count if it's trying to play me. I guess they thinking I'm Sony.
Ask them if they have any more wet timbers.
Without it, the squad ain't hearing you top of that. We ain't fearing it. We swinging for the fences. With the skin of the left foot that connects with.
Just got done with Formula D. Absolutely amazing day. A lot of good competition all day long. Best part about it is a Chevy Corvette ended up winning. Matt Fields did an amazing job. Good job for him. And yeah, it was really fun. Super fun. I mean, just love seeing these cars out here just ripping, sound, everything, how loud it is, how close get to the action. I mean, it's just absolutely incredible. So anyways, have a lot of fun. Can't wait to go to the next one that I get to check out. But right now, about to roll out. We're out.
stop me, say it with me like face it. Shut it down, you know I'm the one, just face it. None of y'all can stop me, say it with me like yeah, face it. Yeah, face it. Yeah.
Ay, light stepping when I'm walking like I'm Billie Jean. Red jacket, it's a thriller when I'm on the scene. Paddock on my wrist, now I'm ahead of things. Ain't no time to slow it down, I'm on the better things.